In this video, we'll resolve the user account is inactive error in Slack due to an inactive user account found by the Slack external app. This occurs when the deactivate user option in Okta is unchecked. Let's fix this. Access the Okta admin console, navigate to Applications, select Slack application, go to Provisioning, select to App, and click Edit. Enable the Deactivate User checkbox. Save your changes. In the Okta admin dashboard, click on Dashboard and select Tasks, click on Application Assignments Errors, then expand Slack Assignment Error, select the box and press Retry Selected. The Slack app assignment should now be completed successfully. Now back in Slack App Assignment tab, we can see that the error for user Slack Tester 6 disappeared. Check also in Slack Admin Console under Manage Members to ensure the user Slack Tester 6 account is active. With these steps, the provisioning error should be resolved and the Slack user account reactivated. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.